maybe it'll balance right there. Put this in upside down. If ever you're replacing these and it's too short or too long, these have an adjustment on them. Okay? Short, extended. So I put mine in this way. I need this to be on this side. So, whoops. First video didn't make it, so now I'm doing a rush video because I only have a little bit of memory left on this humongous memory card in my phone. Not sure what's going on. And I never use these, just snugging it. Now it'll be the right side up like that. Make sure you guys can see that. Probably not. Always start them. Make sure they start nice and easy. You might have to wiggle stuff around, but don't want to cross thread these. And now it's the right way. The last video that didn't make it, this was upside down, which doesn't matter, but for me, I want it to be the right side up. And I have to still do a video on this because I'm going to make this entry handle and eliminate this. And I'm pretty sure I got to fill a hole in here. Might just be a little hole. Probably have to drill, use the hole saw for this, and a little bit of measurement. That'd be a better video. This is a simple video how to replace a deadbolt. This will end my video. I am going to replace this striker plate maybe. All right.